In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a sheet in Smartsheet. If you're handing off a project to a teammate or delegating responsibilities for a smoother workflow, this walkthrough will show you how to transfer ownership quickly and securely while keeping your data accessible to the right person. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and locate the sheet you want to transfer. In the top right corner, click the Share button. This is where you control who has access and what they can do. And think of ownership as the highest level of control. The owner can manage permissions, share the sheet, and make structural changes without limitations. If you don't see sharing options you expect, double check that you're signed in as the current owner, since only owners can transfer ownership. Next, within the sharing panel, select Workspace. This is the central hub where your sheet lives and where access for your team is managed more consistently. Now invite the new owner by entering their email address. If they don't have a Smartsheet account yet, they'll receive an email invitation to join. Take a moment to verify the email for accuracy. Typos are a common cause of delays. Then click Share to add them to the list of people with access. This ensures they appear in the people list so you can promote them to owner. Once they're listed, find their email in the people section, hover over their name, and click the drop-down arrow on the right. Choose Make Owner. Smartsheet will prompt you to confirm the transfer. Review carefully. After you confirm, the new owner gains full control, including the ability to share, edit, and change permissions. Only the new owner can reverse this change, so be sure you're transferring to the correct person and that they're prepared to take over. Click OK to finalize. That's it. The ownership has officially changed. After the transfer, the new owner will appear as the sheet owner, and they'll have all administrative capabilities. Your access will depend on how the sheet remains shared with you, so coordinate with the new owner if you need to adjust your permission level or if a future transfer back is required. If you don't see the Make Owner option, it usually means you're not the current owner or the sheet's permissions are restricted in the workspace. Check with your administrator if needed. With just a few clicks, your work is in the right hands, keeping your team organized and your data secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical guides, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.